Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going back to school shopping, clothing shopping. I went online, but like I didn't get, well I did get a lot of stuff, I'm not gonna lie, but my aunt texted me early this morning like and called me mad time talking about let's go shopping. Alright, so now we're in the bathroom at Lowe's because people have me in the bathroom. Why? We are here. I need to go to Ulta, honestly.
Bro, you act like you never come here.
Me? I don't.
And get 15% off your purchase. See an H&M staff member for more details. Together, we're creating.
Okay guys, now we're in H&M. Well, the first stop is H&M, but I'm not seeing something I like so far and I'm getting sad. Outfit of the day. My dress is from Soulfeel. My bag is from my dad. It's from Calvin Klein. It'll be my upcoming back to school try-on haul. And this dress too for the pricing and stuff. And then my Yeezys, my static Yeezys that I got like not long ago. We're like streetwear, but like cute, but like basic, but like stylish, but like yeah. This is really cute. But I don't like the way it feels. Oh, this is really cute. I ordered that online. This is cute. Oh, this is like a cute outfit, this whole thing together. This is, what is this? Oh, that's a baby skirt. Ariana Grande little section I'm seeing. This is cute. So cute though. It says 7 and something. I don't know. Maybe her album. This is cute. Thank you. Next. This is like the dress. Oh, they have the hoodie. I need it. Oh, the thank you next though. Hoodies. But I don't know, I like it, but then I don't.
It feels thin.
I like them hoodies.
See, you gotta feel it.
Sorry. Like, I feel it. Oh, it does feel thin. Never mind. I like this hat though. Support my girl. And just get this. This is cute. I just like nude stuff nowadays, as you guys can see. I don't. What is this saying, guys? What is this? 7. Excuse me. Oh, 7 rings. I'm so dumb. Duh. And they have these. This could go perfect, kind of. Not really. It's different colors, but it's okay. Why do you like that hoodie? This is cute. So, guys, which one should I get? Can't find my size, but should I get this, like oversized, or should I get this dress? Let me know down below because my freaking aunt won't buy it for me and I'm very upset. I got all this so far. Hopefully I get something. And what did she get? She got shoes. Those are so expensive, and then this probably gonna add up to what she got. Okay guys, so we got her to buy the stuff. Mission accomplished. How cute this purse is. Oh, sorry. Okay. Look how cute this purse is, but it's so tiny. And it's $30, like. Bye-bye. I don't need you. Yes. While I'm going here, it's 50% off. After. Time to here get some graphic tees. Yeah, I'm in the fitting room. I'm gonna try on like some jeans. 2, 3, 6. And they barely have any ribs. It's like the cute little ankle. Oh yeah, I would put them. Yeah, as soon as you put it on, you got. Ooh. These are cute, but they're cute though. Come on. Let me get the full effect. Alright, do y'all like these jeans? Because I don't know. I'm really iffy. Like, I like them, but then I don't know. Like, they're okay. I don't know. Yo, these don't even fit me. That's crazy. Alright guys, so I did some damage. I spent over $8 at the store. We love that. Did I press this already? Oh, there we go. I'm trying to find my cousin because she was done before me and she said she's outside JCPenney's, but I was in the freaking every JCPenney's and I still can't find her. She's waiting for us, so we always wait for her. Isn't that such a surprise?
You closed that door before I rammed this bottle upside your head.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna go eat where I ate like 2 days ago when I went shopping for the first time. So it's gonna be like a 2-day shopping vlog. All my subscribers in the back walking with me to eat. This is so cute. But hold up. I don't know how to say it, but it's so good. Well, it is so good. I already had it. Look at my food. This is Aaliyah. Go subscribe to her channel. Period. Put on a screen. Like, yes, look at her outfit. Outfit of the day.
My mom gave me some. It's cute sneakers, but when I put it on, it looked like my feet was like clown feet. So.
Alright guys, so we here. Wait. We're in Holliston. We're in Holliston.
Okay, I think she has at the end.
Alright. I'm gonna pick an outfit for her birthday. So, are we finding outfits too? I'm trying to find jeans with like the rips in the back, you know, in the back is rips. So that's what I'm trying to find today. So far, I'm not finding. I'm about to just ask her.
There, I was like, when we came back, it was still there.
Alright guys, we'll to Forever 21. Cause I don't see this freaking jeans I was looking for. But I want some plaid skirts, so even though I ordered some online, I need some now.
And then when we came to the picnic, she was like, is it September 5th? And I was like,
Where was this like, you know, like a white shirt?
I'll be done for Pinterest picnic.
Men, Forever 21. What's your name?
Madison.
You have Instagram or something?
No, I have a YouTube.
Ooh, say your YouTube channel.
Mine is Madison Gabriella with 2 A's.
Yes, subscribe to her channel. Period.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's okay to have your own chocolate sometimes. Yo, if I had the yacht club,
Yes.
that would have been cute.
I don't think I can help you either.
Oh, that was my size. I'm about to cry. I'm gonna take a breather. I don't even want all this stuff. I want to try it on first. Like. I've been looking for this. I know you're probably like, that's mad basic, but I've been looking for it.
Oh, you can't reach?
No. Thank you. Yes, I just wanted to play shit like this. This is really all I got today. Like, this is ridiculous. I mean, I don't really get that much anyways, but still. Aaliyah didn't get anything, and she usually gets everything. Look how empty she is. This is crazy. Alright, guys. So, literally, I'm home now after, like, the whole day, basically. A couple of hours because I had to do my meet and greet today. That'll be a different video. Go check that out. I don't know which one's coming out first. And also, I was trying to find some sneakers today and get me some makeup, which I did get me makeup, but I didn't get my sneakers. Because I didn't see no pair that I really liked. I did see a pair that I'm thinking about getting. I might come back and get, but that's about it. Anyways, so yeah, all the stuff I got stuff from Journeys, Primark, H&M, That was the other day that I went shopping with my aunt and them. And I'm not trying to brag. I brought all the stuff with my own money except for the stuff I got from H&M. So calm down. And when I went to shopping today, I got stuff from Sephora. But I will be having a back to school haul on stuff that I brought from the mall and online. But that's all the things I got today in a span of this whole week. This is literally, hold up, literally everything I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for everything and all the support. And I just love you guys so much. Bye, pretties.
Bitch bad and her ass fat. Ass mad I did a dash. She was spit on that dick like splat. Thought her ass get hit with his back. Like baseball, my nigga on that. Ain't nobody gon' play with my rats. UVS is around my neck. Bitch bad and her ass fat.